Look up. To search for information, in a book or online. He looked up some recipes online. I will look up the word in the dictionary. Turn off. To stop a machine or device from working, like lights, TV, etc. Can you turn off the light? Please turn off the TV, it's too loud. Go out. Leave home for fun. I want to go out for dinner tonight. Let's go out and watch a movie. Get up. To wake up and leave your bed in the morning. I get up at 7 a.m. every day. She got up late on Sunday. Write down. To write something so you don't forget it. Please write down your name. Don't forget to write down my phone number. Give up. To quit a habit or activity. He gave up smoking last year. She gave up after trying many times. Run into. To meet someone by chance. I ran into my old friend at the mall. She ran into her teacher at the park. Hand in. To submit work, documents, or assignments. Please hand in your homework. I handed in my test to the teacher. Speak up. To talk louder so others can hear you. Please speak up, I can't hear you. I asked her to speak up on the phone. Drop out. To leave school, college, or a course before finishing it. He dropped out of college last year. My brother dropped out of high school.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!